Okay, good day guys. So, quick summary on the trade I took on Monday. So, this was, let me check this. This was Tuesday high for last week, and so that was my draw on liquidity throughout then. So, yesterday I was anticipating bullish after the previous candle formed. Yeah, so, and also it was just my draw on liquidity. So, I left the whole of London session and waited till New York session. So let's dive down into the lower time frame and see how the market was. So this is 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, that's the trade. So due to the 15 minutes time frame, the whole of this choppy moves were all accumulation. So using the ICT power of three concepts here. So accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And so these were all accumulation. You can see right from, if I should on this up, you can see right from here, a sensation. So these were all drawn liquidity. I basically do not like using that, but just use that for because I could actually spot the liquidity while looking at the charts, just messing it. You understand? So I also use that as a confluence as well. So see the liquidity, source of liquidity. After what happened, market rallied up a bit, creating a false hope for some buyers after it eventually came back to this value gap. So if I was in this move, it's just that I actually work with time and price. So time and price is the key stuff in my strategy. Not just that, I think that's what everybody needs to understand, because you don't actually trade every single time of the day. There's always a specific time where you trade, depending on your time zone. Yeah, so someone might actually want to take this trade from here, and you're definitely gonna get stopped out if you're actually targeting this high. You get stopped out. Yeah, which is it. Yeah, there are sell liquidity resting below it. And so what happened? Market rallied up during the New York session. It sold below. Now watch, the candle that was actually trading below was an 8:30 candle to 8:45 candle, which is it here. That's New York opening time for the real forex market moves, you understand? So that's where like fundamental news take place, but there was no fundamental news as at yesterday, I think. So yeah, so market actually swept the liquidity, and what happened? You saw a huge displacement upward. I didn't take the trade on the 15 minutes time frame. I went as low as the 3 minutes time frame for this trade. And so let me zoom it back. Alright, so you could basically see it. See it's equal lows. After the sweep, you can see the sweep on that swing high. And after the sweep and the swing high, what formed close to it, and this bigger block or other block you may call it, it was a fair value gap. And so that's why I took my entry, and boom, it went straight to TP. You understand? Though it went across that, but I already had my drawn liquidity in place, so that's what I did, and I hit TP on that trade. So I'll show you the trade I did, where I took it. I took it on about 2 of my accounts. Yeah. So you can see this is the trade I took, and yeah, it was a perfect one. Took here, going here with the actual execution, and go off here. So it was a clean 1:2 to 3 trade. Yeah. So I took it on 2 of my accounts. Managing a large number of accounts is stressful. So before I could go to take it on this one, or without setting limits on them, because I did an actual execution, I didn't set limits. So if we're going to take the trades on all of them that already started moving, and I always take it my trades at the exact order. So maybe next time I want to set a limit entry. But outside that, that's how I got the trade on Tuesday. So this Wednesday, and we'll see what the market has for us. I'm actually not trade EU. I might go for GU, but right now I can't see my draw liquidity. I don't know if you see it as well. The draw liquidity is at the top. Look at those equal lows. Sorry about this. Look at those equal lows at the top. You can see it. So that's my draw liquidity. So I actually wait for market to go somewhere a bit, maybe back to the discount then I'll want to take a trade. But for now, the next time I'm gonna hop on the chart next time again, it's gonna be by 8 a.m. New York session. So until next time, I will talk to you soon.